A home inspection will inform the buyers about all the conditions, including pool, solar panels, etc. Once they receive their inspection report, they will have the opportunity to request you to perform or pay for repairs. If the buyers do not agree with your proposal of repairs within their due diligence period, they may cancel the purchase agreement and the earnest money deposit will be reimbursed. If the buyers agree with the repairs and love your community, they will move forward with the purchase process that might take 20 to 30 days depending on their type of loan. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call us at 702-858-8070. I'll see you in our next video about the second contingency of your home sale, and this is the preliminary title report. Thank you.